So this is a highly requested video, and today I will show you guys how to put gems. I don't know if I got the pronunciation correct, but I sure know the other word for it. So I'll be showing you guys how to put stones on, the head. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you, and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Louis. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them. Share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post the video. So guys, let's dive into our hair. So guys, I am going to hold the hair into a bun. And all you need for this hairstyle is your spray, your whole spray, your gel, your brush, and a thread. So as you can see here in this video, I'm tying it down. I like to use the thread to tie down because this wouldn't cause damage on the hair, unlike when you use a rubber band to hold the natural hair. So I'm just going to go in and apply my gel and then go in with my brush and make sure it is well relaxed. So then after that, I'm going to get a kinky extension I already twisted down and just attach it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any video. So guys, here I have the stones. It comes like this in a small bag. So this one is sold for 500 naira. So I'm going to get my Got2b gel. So this is what I'll be using as my glue. I hear a lot of people saying they use the Uhu glue to do this, but no, I don't like to use the Uhu glue because it might or damage the the hairline. So I'm going to apply just on the front where I want it. So this is like a demonstration video. It's not like we're not doing washi actually, like. So I'm just gonna go in with the gel using my rat tail comb to just place it on the parts where I want the stones to sit on. So now I'm just going to get the stone and place it directly on the part where I have the gel already. So I can still go on and put more gel depending on the style I'm going for, and then get the stone and then place it on it. So that's it, guys, for the gems, which is the shiny stones. Hi guys, I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on my channel? Like guys, I have a lot on my to-do list. I have some videos I shot, some requested videos, and I'm working on them. So if you've requested for a video here on my channel, I beg you, just give me some time, exercise more patience. So like, it's not really easy for me, you know, combining work, but I'm just trying to do my best to bring everything to you guys. So if you've requested for a video, just give me some time. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.